Okay, we've got Advent of Code Day 2. Four, three, two, games. Game 3, 20 red. This is delimiters. No, the deliverer I need is a semicolon. Well, actually, the deliverer I need is a colon. And then from there, I need to find the sum of all the games that have that. Okay, so I'll do this. So I can color very nicely. And then okay. 8. Okay, I think I get how I need to do this then. Okay. Six. I need to do a maximum of 6. Okay, so let's actually do this, just for simplicity, because it's gonna bother the hell of me if I don't. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, come on. So that's 2 different colors to see if there's any entries actually in it. There is. So I do actually need minus 14. Minus 16. There we go. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this into a different array. So with a blue bar, once again, just to separate it, we're going to do equals substitute text. Okay, and then I'm going to nope, actually, wait a second. Crap. Okay. No, I'm going to do a switch expression. This, comma 3. If the value is 3 add. Let me see that value of left this to less than equal to, what was the number? It was 12, 13, 14, red, green, blue, RGB. N B U E. So is it 10 to 27? Let's go to there. Another. One, two, three, four. Four. Oh, crud. These only have one more value. Because I think there's space to limiting. Okay, here we go. Now we go down. Much better. And then I'll also put in if error true. take all this, close it down. If, then we'll do row minus 2, otherwise 0. 2776. Correct, part 2. In each game you play was the fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag to make the game possible. So the games earlier, game 1, the game could have been played with as few as 4 red, 2 green, 6 blue cubes. That had even 1 fewer cube, it would be impossible. The power of a set of cubes is equal to the number of red, green, and blue cubes multiplied together. Okay. One of these 5 powers produces this. For each game find the minimum set of cubes that must be present with the system of the power for each cube of each of these sets. Okay. What I do is I need to do a scan for each of these. So let's do a blue. Come over here and do very similar to here, except otherwise 0. Do value of that. So I want to zoom out for a little bit just to get this all organized. I think I can get this fairly quickly. Huge. Okay. So this is red. This I'll put in as red equals maximum. All this. Do exactly this again. Although instead of minus 40, it's like minus 60. 59. Green. But I don't even need to remember that. Look it. This is going to be 78. Easy. Okay, we'll do this. Collapse them inwards. This times this. Whoops. This times this. Sum that. See, that's correct. And I'm right, then I'm done. Ooh, 15 minutes, what's that? Took me about 15 minutes. Wasn't that bad overall. A little tricksy. Let's see what my personal time was. Gross. Sub 15 minutes, but rank 1526. Could have been better. Oh well.